Hey guys, welcome back to the channel once again. So today we are back again with yet another video. So today we are going to go ahead and review a mid-range smartphone. So quickly let us check over here what is the smartphone that we are having. So as you can see, this is a Samsung smartphone. This is Samsung Galaxy F34 5G. So this is a recently launched smartphone by Samsung guys. So go ahead and comment below and guess what is the price of this smartphone. Let me give you a hint. It's a mid-range smartphone below 20,000. By the end of the video or in the middle of the video, I'll disclose the price. So this is a brand new phone guys. I have purchased this phone from Flipkart in the recent Big Billion Day sale, and yes, I did get quite a bit of discount, but actually the Flipkart did not provide me that much discount. I got most of the discounts that I got was from the bank's end, so I will talk about the bank offers that's currently going on as well about this. So let us quickly go ahead and unbox the phone. As you can see, it's a sealed box over here totally. So you have the price, the IMEI number and everything. Another thing guys, it's a make in India product as you can see over here. So yeah, let us quickly go ahead and unbox the product and let us see what are we receiving. Guys, check. अब साइज देख के समझ ही सकते हो इसमें क्या नहीं मिल रहा है. ये Samsung has also started doing this. iPhones used to do it, Apple used to do it. Now Samsung has also started. Let us quickly go ahead and unbox the Samsung F34 5G and let us see what are the things that we are getting inside, and let us look at the first glimpse of the phone as well. So guys, while I'm unboxing, let me also go ahead and share with you. So this is the 6GB and 128GB ROM variant that we have got. 6GB of RAM and 128GB of ROM, and we have got the green color variant guys. So yes, so here we have the phone guys, as you can see. Okay, so let me just go. So there is a small box. Let us see what are we getting inside this box. Okay, let's see what are the things. Okay, so it's the SIM extra pin we are getting guys. Now there is some literature and simple things. Now we have got a Type-C cable which they have packed it very properly. It's packed, and no charger guys. Let me tell you, you are not going to get the charger adapter. The adapter is not coming with this inside the box. So I think this is a drawback which Samsung has done. It's a mid-range phone Samsung has recently launched. Now in F series, Samsung should not have taken off the charger from the box. I think yes, in the premium series, the S series or the A series, I understand your Samsung is not providing. So basically guys, what the companies are talking environment friendly and this and that, but again they are selling the charger separately. So other than making the box thinner, I don't think they are actually doing anything. But yes, they must have their own logic and maybe something that we are not aware of it. But anyway, let us go ahead with what we have. So here is the phone guys. Let us quickly look at the first glance of the phone. Okay, let me keep this aside. The phone is a bit heavy, but I won't say very heavy. It has a good weight balance. You can see it's not that thick. Yeah, I love the color guys, the green variant. The picture which is there in Flipkart, the green color, and this green color which I've got, there's a hell and heaven difference guys. I will attach the image somewhere over here of our actual picture. Don't get fooled by the color which is there in the website of Flipkart. Please look into the reviews, look into the actual color. It's a great phone. The phone feels good. Let us quickly go ahead and unwrap the phone guys, and let us quickly go through the setup process, and we will be back. Also guys, let me tell you that this phone is coming with a huge humongous 6000 mAh battery capacity guys. So easily 1.5 days you can go with this phone. If you're not using any multimedia or games, this phone will give you a backup of at least 2 days, and with multimedia and little bit of games, 1 and 1.5 days, it will be good. You will be easily be able to take that. Now in terms of the processor guys, this is coming with Exynos 1280 octa-core 2 GHz 2.4 GHz processor guys. Now also this phone is a dual SIM phone, so either you can use two SIM cards at the same time, or you can use one SIM card and one memory card. Also this supports an eSIM option, so if you want to use an eSIM you can also go with this. Now coming into the Samsung beauty of Samsung. Now Samsung has promised that this phone F34 5G is going to get 4 years of operating support. Also guys, that means you will get 4 years of Android update. Samsung has promised that this phone will get 5 years of security update. At this price point guys, it's been a mid-range phone, 120 Hz of refresh rate, 4 years of Android update, 5 years of security update. I mean the deal is done over there. Now coming to the price of this product guys, this product is priced at 16,500. If you're lucky in a sale, you will get it in the around 15,500 or 16,000. So this phone guys supports fast charging. It supports super fast charging, so you need to purchase a 25-watt Samsung charger. That will cost you something between 1,000 rupees to 1,300 rupees. You can get it easily on Amazon or Flipkart. You can also check out Samsung shop, you can get it from there as well. Now talking about the other features, this is a 5G enabled phone guys, so this phone supports 5G. Also like it is running on 5nm processor. Back guys is prone to some fingerprints because it's a shiny back. You have to use a back cover. You can either use a transparent back cover or a flip cover. One more important thing guys, let me tell you, this phone comes with a special mode called the nightography mode, which is a dedicated mode given to people who likes to do night photography. So you will be able to create night shots. I will be showing you some of the samples, so you can get an idea of how good the camera is at this price range guys. With the Samsung has come out with, it is one of the best cameras, I can tell you. I'll not say its camera is very good, but the price range it's operating, it is giving you one of the best cameras, let me tell you that. Another important thing guys, this phone comes with Gorilla Glass 5 protection, which Samsung is claiming. Now even though it comes with the Gorilla Glass, I will suggest you to use a screen guard on top of it, so for protecting your own device. In general guys, this phone is overall rocking. I like it. You can see the fingerprint sensor over here, so the edges over here on the body are round. So you get a better grip. You have a matte finishing over here, and the back is shining. As you can see, it has a shining feeling, but yes, prone to a lot of fingerprints. So yes guys, so this is the phone that we are getting, Samsung Galaxy F34 5G. Now one more thing guys, I want to make you quickly aware of it, that there is another similar phone which is known as Samsung Galaxy M34 5G. So basically these two phones are totally identical. Their features, their characteristics, everything is same. Their features, their specifications, their performance, everything has been the same. Rather, I would say in terms of performance, F34 has performed slightly better, but it's bizarre. They have the same processor, everything is the same. So that is the reason guys, I did not went for M34, I went for F34, because most of the places they saw the performance is slight better, like maybe 0.5 better in F34. So if you ask me guys, honest feedback, if you ask me, I would go ahead and say yes guys, you can go with this phone. It's not a bad phone at the price range it's coming. It's a mid-range phone priced beautifully by Samsung and very strategically, 16,500. Also a 5G phone. You're getting 120 gigahertz or 120 refresh rate. You are getting OIS over here, no shake cam mode. You're getting a dedicated night mode, 6,000 mAh battery. You heard it right, 6,000 mAh battery guys. 5G enabled phone guys, 4 years of Android update, 5 years of security update. In one word, Yes, it's a must buy, it's a best buy, you can go with it, and from my end it's a thumbs up, you can go with it. So yes, so with that we come to the end of the video guys, and I hope you have enjoyed this video, you have gone through the details. Any queries guys that you have, please comment us below. We will try to get back to you. I will go ahead and respond back to you guys. Share this video with your friends and family. Do press the like button, press the bell icon as well guys, so whenever a video is uploaded you get notified. Until now guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, you are missing out a lot, so do subscribe to our channel. Let's review with Krish. Also guys, you can follow our Instagram account, Let's Review with Krish. You will have the link in the description as well. Finally, to sum it up guys, it's a thumbs up from my end. Yes, you can go ahead and purchase this phone. It's a good deal, a mid-range smartphone, the price segment it's coming with, go for it guys. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video and the next review.